going to learn about magic mixing. We already had these ones, but this one's not the potion one. That one was the pet one.
This is the Magic Mixies Magic Potions Kit. We're going to do some experiments, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to make some potions. Like, we're wizards, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Are you a wizard?
Mm-hmm.
Or am I a wizard?
I'm a wizard. I have to get my goggles.
Mia has her safety glasses on that she has for detailing, right? And I'm going to put these ones.
This one's unicorn gold.
Okay.
This one's forest rain. Oh, that's not forest rain. This one's forest rain. Forest rain. Unicorn gold.
Okay, so caution, the first thing.
Sky blue.
Adult supervision is required. The incorrect use of chemicals can cause injury and damage to health. We have to be super safe, okay? It's only supposed to be used by children over 8. Okay? But I'm here. I'm going to keep you safe, all right?
Okay.
Let's see what we got in here. We have all of our spell books, all of our chemicals. Prior to first use, stick the labels provided to the back of the bottles without covering the original label. All right?
On the side.
No, right on the back. No, like this, watch. Oh, see where it is? You line it up right there, and then push it all the way around. Yep, perfect.
I made a triangle. Look at everybody. This is cute. And cool. This is for Aiden, but this is cute for me. I like the book because it looks like a spell book. Like a Harry Potter one. This one looks like a Harry Potter spell book that flies in the air. Keeps flying everywhere, shining bright. $40 of first rate, $5 of June, 25.
This looks like a lot of stuff, doesn't it?
Okay. We have scissors.
Oh, I need scissors. You're right.
I'm right because it said that, and I heard you.
I think we're ready. Everybody, welcome to our experiment time.
Put your goggles on.
Oh, here. Everybody, welcome to our experiment time.
Not like that.
I'm Dad.
I'm Mia.
What's your name? I didn't hear you.
Mia.
Mia. Hey, Mia.
Droppers.
So, this is your Magic Mixies experiment potions kit, right?
There's 71 to make.
It does. It does say there's 70 different dragon droplets. Okay, so we need our measuring cup.
Doop, doop.
We need our cauldron. And we'll use this as a cauldron.
Those are buckets.
It's a cauldron. Forest Rain. Where's Forest Rain?
No, this one.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're going to pour 10 milliliters of Forest Rain into our measuring cup. So, can you put one drop? Only one drop? No!
That was one big drop.
That was a big drop, but you don't need a big drop.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Then let's do 1 drop of sky blue. One drop. Don't squeeze hard. There's a drop. Is it 1 drop? Okay. Now it says you need your mixing spoon. And stir it until it turns green. Your pipette. Mm-hmm. You have that.
What is pipettes?
It's how you put. Remember we use them for ceramic coating to put them on the applicator. Yeah, same thing. It's just a small one. And then drop into there. It says dragon droplets will magically appear. Don't stir. Just drop them. And it says dragon droplets will appear in your cauldron. You see them? Let me see. Ooh, I see the little droplets. Another experiment for them? We got a swirling storm. You want to do a swirling storm? Solidification potion? Swirling storm? Okay, or 75 milliliters. Okay, 75 milliliters. Let's use this cauldron, okay? Can you pour this into here for me? Let me move this so it's not in your way.
This is a little heavy.
Hold it like this. See the spout?
Mm-hmm.
Right, go ahead. You got this. Good job. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that fills almost all the way up.
This is all the way up.
Let me pour a little bit out. Okay, we'll do it like that. Oh my gosh, that's so much. Count them as you drop them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, let's put the top back on.
Does that look cute?
Oh, that's cool.
It looks like mermaid.
9 drops. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. Keep going. You see it? I see.
This one's cool. I'm gonna mix it some more.
4 spoonfuls. And put it right into the cauldron. Be careful. There's 1. 2. 3. 1 more spoon. It says to let it sit, and then you have to count to 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
We're just going to let it sit, and then we will move to the next one.
Can you move to the next one now?
Yep. We have separator serum or bubbling crystal lava. Separator serum? Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It says 10, but I did 11.
Okay.
So Alexa is right here.
Okay. Yeah. You do 3 drops into the measuring cup.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Go ahead and pour it straight into the cauldron. All right, let's take a look at it. Oh my gosh, it's true! Do you see? Look from the side. You see 3 different layers? That is so cool! The separator serum. I like it.
Separator serum.
Now, do you think if we put this in here, it'll stay separate? Take a look. Let's show the camera. Look at how separate that all is. That's so cool. Do you think it'll stay separate if we pour it in the cup? You think? Okay, so the first thing it says we need for bubbling crystal lava is moonlight dust.
Bubbly. It's bubbly. Does it look like it?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like bubbles coming up. It looks like the mermaid one.
do you think?
Cool. This is bubbling.
Mm-hmm.
I hear it like you're in a football. Look, it drops.
Whoa. Whoa!
Can we touch the one that is white? Let's touch.
This is so cool. Mermaid bubbles?
Yes, mermaid bubbles.
Whoa.
First the moon one.
Okay, well, let's put this right here. Be very careful, okay?
The moon like this.
I'll take it. Measuring cup. 8 drops.
I will do 9. I'll do 9.
Why do you want to do 9?
Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, that's enough.
I did 10. This is light.
Right into the cauldron. And then back up. Let's see what happens. So the camera can see.
Look at it.
Whoa!
Amazing.
These bubble experiments are cool. They're like when we did our volcano, remember?
Mm-hmm.
It's so awesome. Ooh, I like the mermaid bubbles.
That one is our top favorite.
Mia, do you like this one?
Mm-hmm.
Which one is this called again?
Mermaid bubbles.
Mermaid bubbles.
Can we touch the one that is...
Thank you for joining us. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Never